lift. Gonna be taking the headlights off and replacing the lens because it is super dulled out. So we're gonna be replacing those. Gonna be doing a once over on the car. It's been a while. All right, getting these headlights removed. Got the bumper off. It's just 3 bolts. Got one here, one there, and one here. It's ready to come out. And just like that, the front end is completely taken apart. Got the headlights over here. So you can see they start fading and doling out. Just makes the car look ugly and old, and a car on welds and a Cadillac shouldn't have these kind of headlights on it. So we're gonna be removing these and learning how to put them on learning how to put these together with new lenses. It's gonna be our first time doing this, so here we go. All right, slowly applying heat to the lens and it's slowly coming apart. There's glue in here with the heat, breaks up the glue, lets the lens free. Get in there.
1 second.
All right, the lens is off. Just got 2 wires to disconnect. Got one here, and then the other one is right here. It's just a clip. So let's get that removed. All right, so the housings are all cleaned up. Jazzy got all these glue sealer that was around the headlight bezel right here off. This is the pieces that go bolted on to the lenses. So these are the old ones. I'm all taken out, and then I got the new ones right there. Let me grab them real quick. All right, so these are the fresh lenses right here. This right here is the glue that you use to get the lenses glued back on the light bezel around. So I just got done putting the sealer all the way around. Make sure you're extra generous with it, especially in the areas where the bolts go, so no water is able to go inside the housing and cause condensation inside the headlight frame. So next thing I'm going to be doing after I hit this with the air chuck, make sure all the dust is out, is put the lens on there and use the bolts to smash it down onto the housing. All right, one down, one more to go. Got the lens ready to go on the second one, and these things look good. Yeah, compared to the old worn out yellow lenses, definitely looks good. All right, headlights are all wrapped up. So I just got my headlights back from All Tint LV. They did the PPF wrap over the new headlight lens. That way they last longer. Can't even tell it's on there, but they did a great job. Now it's going to be extra protected, and the lenses should last longer now. But gonna put the car back together. Did a little bit of cleaning under the hood, and yeah, it's ready to get put back together. That way we can get it back on the street. What's up, Chelsea? It's my doggy Chelsea. Good girl. Good girl. Putting the headlights back on isn't too bad. Literally just one harness that plugs in down here and slides in, about 3 10mm bolts, and it's back on there. Let's get this clip in. Get the lock on there. As you can see, that's where my catch can's at. It's nice and hidden. Oh man, they're not even on there yet, but dude, what a difference. Look at that. Dang, this thing's look good, man. So I just got done putting on the bumper. All the lights are all bolted down. Should have done this a long time ago. These lights look good. Oh, the lenses make the lights look good. Let's get a quick view of it with the hood closed. And this thing looks good. Can't wait till the next mod shows up. It's definitely gonna change the look. I'm not gonna say what it is. You'll have to stay tuned to see what I do next to this thing. But I will say it's just going to change the look up. All right, another thing we're gonna be upgrading on the V is inside this box, so let's get it out. Walking off of the box, this is open.
Oh my God.
Looks kind of cool, hoodless or something. I don't know. All right. Got the hood over here. Let's get ready to get this thing installed.
I feel like the gap looks bigger on this end. No, it looks even.
So, this thing came out sick. Definitely changed the look up on the car. Makes it look more aggressive. On top of that, with these hood vents right here, it's going to help extract the heat out of underneath the hood. It's an upgrade we've been wanting to do for a few years. It's just a little pricey and out of our budget, but the budget finally came through and we got the hood. So this thing's going to look dope. Donnie has came a long way the last couple years. To think when we first got the car, it was like a, what did it run, like high 10s, like a 1090, to now a 950 in the quarter mile. Still has AC, still has all the interior in there, still has all the luxuries of a Cadillac. Yeah, still a grocery getter. Got the fatties on there. This thing got spoiled. But that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the light restoration and then the hood upgrade on the car. Very happy the way it turned out. I got it from Street Driven Performance. The owner's name Body hooked me up with a great deal and got it shipped over here in less than 2 weeks. So it's a great mod. It makes the car look aggressive. Big difference. So that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Check you guys out on the next one. Peace.